Econ Grade Pre-2, Part 1 Listening Practice. This video contains 40 newly written original questions. Listen carefully, choose the best answer, and check the answer after a short pause. Question number 1. Could you tell me how to renew a membership card? It would be best to bring proof of address. What is true about the situation? 1. The card cannot be renewed without proof. 2. Print every document twice. 3. Ignore the instructions. 4. Return the item next year. The answer is number 1. Question number 2. I was planning to reserve painting supplies. Is there anything I should do first? The first thing to do is to pick them up before Saturday. What will probably happen next? 1. Buy a more expensive ticket. 2. Send the request by mail only. 3. Take a taxi to another city. 4. The supplies must be collected before Saturday. The answer is number 4. Question number 3. I need to inspect a delivery, but I don't know the next step. Please report the damaged boxes. That will solve the problem. What is the best answer? 1. Choose the largest room. 2. Use the old form instead. 3. Some boxes may be damaged. 4. Call a family member first. The answer is number 3. Question number 4. Can you help me reach the research center today? Please transfer at Central Square. That will solve the problem. What is the listener expected to do? 1. Arrive after the event ends. 2. Use the old form instead. 3. Print every document twice. 4. A transfer is required. The answer is number 4. Question number 5. I need to send fragile equipment, but I don't know the next step. You should buy reinforced packaging. What is being recommended? 1. Buy a more expensive ticket. 2. Arrive after the event ends. 3. Return the item next year. 4. The item needs stronger packaging. The answer is number 4. Question number 6. Can you help me label the samples today? It would be best to use the blue stickers. What does the speaker mean? 1. The blue stickers should be used. 2. Take a taxi to another city. 3. Buy a more expensive ticket. 4. Pay for a yearly contract. The answer is number 1. Question number 7. I was planning to reserve a private table. Is there anything I should do first? You should confirm the number of guests. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Ignore the instructions. 2. Choose the largest room. 3. The reservation depends on the final number. 4. Use the old form instead. The answer is number 3. Question number 8. I was planning to revise an article. Is there anything I should do first? You should shorten the final paragraph. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. Print every document twice. 2. Speak to a different office. 3. The article needs to be made shorter. 4. Use the old form instead. The answer is number 3. Question number 9. Can you help me collect a name badge today? It would be best to check the spelling before printing. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. The badge should be checked before it is printed. 2. Cancel the plan immediately. 3. Speak to a different office. 4. Call a family member first. The answer is number 1. Question number 10. Could you tell me how to report a water leak? The first thing to do is to let maintenance enter in the afternoon. What is the listener expected to do? 1. Maintenance will visit later. 2. Print every document twice. 3. Speak to a different office. 4. Wait until next month. The answer is number 1. Question number 11. I tried to join an evening course, but I ran into a problem. The first thing to do is to take a placement test first. What is the problem being discussed? 1. Arrive after the event ends. 2. Speak to a different office. 3. A placement test is required. 4. Print every document twice. The answer is number 3. Question number 12. I tried to borrow a projector, but I ran into a problem. You should sign the equipment sheet. What does the speaker mean? 1. Print every document twice. 2. The projector cannot be borrowed without signing. 3. Take a taxi to another city. 4. Buy a more expensive ticket. The answer is number 2. Question number 13. I tried to change an appointment, but I ran into a problem. It would be best to call before noon. What is the best answer? 1. Return the item next year. 2. Leave the building at once. 3. Buy a more expensive ticket. 4. The appointment can be changed by calling early. The answer is number 4. Question number 14. I tried to prepare ingredients, but I ran into a problem. You should wash the vegetables before cutting. What is the listener expected to do? 1. Ignore the instructions. 2. Call a family member first. 3. The vegetables should be washed first. 4. Speak to a different office. The answer is number 3. Question number 15. I was planning to ask about a delayed flight. Is there anything I should do first? The first thing to do is to watch the gate screen. What is being recommended? 1. The gate may change. 2. Pay for a yearly contract. 3. Send the request by mail only. 4. Call a family member first. The answer is number 1. Question number 16. Can you help me open a savings account today? Make sure you show 2 forms of identification before you continue. What is the best answer? 1. 2 IDs are needed. 2. Print every document twice. 3. Take a taxi to another city. 4. Speak to a different office. The answer is number 1. Question number 17. I tried to ask about organic vegetables, but I ran into a problem. Please come early on Saturday, that will solve the problem. What is the best answer? 1. Choose the largest room. 2. Speak to a different office. 3. Buy a more expensive ticket. 4. The best selection is early Saturday. The answer is number 4. Question number 18. Could you tell me how to rent a practice room? Please use the online calendar, that will solve the problem. What does the speaker mean? 1. Reservations are made online. 2. Speak to a different office. 3. Print every document twice. 4. Arrive after the event ends. The answer is number 1. Question number 19. I need to complete an insurance form, but I don't know the next step. Please write the policy number clearly, that will solve the problem. What is true about the situation? 1. Cancel the plan immediately. 2. Print every document twice. 3. Send the request by mail only. 4. The number must be easy to read. The answer is number 4. Question number 20. I was planning to print a poster. Is there anything I should do first? Make sure you reduce the file size before you continue. What does the speaker mean? 1. Arrive after the event ends. 2. Return the item next year. 3. Ignore the instructions. 4. The file is too large to print now. The answer is number 4. Question number 21. I was planning to submit a budget form. Is there anything I should do first? Make sure you attach the latest receipt before you continue. What is the listener expected to do? 1. Send the request by mail only. 2. Wait until next month. 3. The form is incomplete without the receipt. 4. Use the old form instead. The answer is number 3. Question number 22. I tried to mail documents overseas, but I ran into a problem. Make sure you choose express delivery before you continue. What is the problem being discussed? 1. Call a family member first. 2. Speak to a different office. 3. Express delivery is recommended. 4. Pay for a yearly contract. The answer is number 3. Question number 23. Could you tell me how to freeze a membership? You should complete the request online. What does the speaker mean? 1. Return the item next year. 2. Leave the building at once. 3. The request must be submitted online. 4. Pay for a yearly contract. The answer is number 3. Question number 24. I was planning to ask about part-time work. Is there anything I should do first? Make sure you come back when the manager is in before you continue. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Leave the building at once. 2. The manager is not available now. 3. Cancel the plan immediately. 4. Ask for a full refund. The answer is number 2. Question number 25. Could you tell me how to ask about a missed test? The first thing to do is to bring a note from the counselor. What is the listener expected to do? 1. A note is required. 2. Send the request by mail only. 3. Choose the largest room. 4. Take a taxi to another city. The answer is number 1. Question number 26. Can you help me appeal a parking ticket today? It would be best to submit photos of the sign. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Photos are needed for the appeal. 2. Use the old form instead. 3. Ask for a full refund. 4. Cancel the plan immediately. The answer is number 1. Question number 27. Could you tell me how to record an announcement? Make sure you speak closer to the microphone before you continue. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Pay for a yearly contract. 2. Leave the building at once. 3. Wait until next month. 4. The voice needs to be clearer. The answer is number 4. Question number 28. Could you tell me how to choose a guided tour? Please avoid the rainy season. That will solve the problem. What does the speaker mean? 1. Ignore the instructions. 2. Buy a more expensive ticket. 3. Arrive after the event ends. 4. The tour is better in a different season. The answer is number 4. Question number 29. Can you help me solve a billing mistake today? Make sure you wait for a supervisor before you continue. What will probably happen next? 1. Cancel the plan immediately. 2. Leave the building at once. 3. A supervisor will handle the problem. 4. Choose the largest room. The answer is number 3. Question number 30. I need to fix a laptop keyboard, but I don't know the next step. Please leave the computer overnight. That will solve the problem. What is the main point of the conversation? 1. Arrive after the event ends. 2. The repair will take more than 1 day. 3. Send the request by mail only. 4. Ignore the instructions. The answer is number 2. Question number 31. Could you tell me how to exchange performance tickets? The first thing to do is to pay the price difference. What does the second speaker suggest? 1. The exchange costs extra. 2. Wait until next month. 3. Ask for a full refund. 4. Pay for a yearly contract. The answer is number 1. Question number 32. I need to register a display, but I don't know the next step. Make sure you include a short abstract before you continue. What is the best answer? 1. Cancel the plan immediately. 2. Arrive after the event ends. 3. Return the item next year. 4. An abstract is needed. The answer is number 4. Question number 33. Could you tell me how to find the media lab? It would be best to use the elevator near the bookstore. What will probably happen next? 1. Take a taxi to another city. 2. Arrive after the event ends. 3. The elevator near the bookstore is the easiest route. 4. Call a family member first. The answer is number 3. Question number 34. I need to schedule a delivery, but I don't know the next step. Please measure the doorway first. That will solve the problem. What should the listener do next? 1. The furniture may not fit through the doorway. 2. Speak to a different office. 3. Leave the building at once. 4. Wait until next month. The answer is number 1. Question number 35. Can you help me apply for a permit today? You should return with a completed form. What will probably happen next? 1. Buy a more expensive ticket. 2. Print every document twice. 3. Choose the largest room. 4. The form is not complete yet. The answer is number 4. Question number 36. I was planning to join a cleanup event. Is there anything I should do first? You should arrive before the safety briefing. What should the listener do next? 1. Use the old form instead. 2. Leave the building at once. 3. Speak to a different office. 4. The briefing happens before the work starts. The answer is number 4. Question number 37. I tried to download the presentation, but I ran into a problem. Make sure you scan the code on the last slide before you continue. What is the problem being discussed? 1. The code gives access to the materials. 2. Leave the building at once. 3. Take a taxi to another city. 4. Call a family member first. The answer is number 1. Question number 38. Could you tell me how to choose plants for shade? You should avoid the sun-loving flowers. What is true about the situation? 1. Some plants need too much sunlight. 2. Print every document twice. 3. Send the request by mail only. 4. Choose the largest room. The answer is number 1. Question number 39. I was planning to return a damaged product. Is there anything I should do first? You should show the receipt. What does the speaker mean? 1. Print every document twice. 2. The receipt is needed for the return. 3. Ask for a full refund. 4. Choose the largest room. The answer is number 2. Question number 40. Can you help me request a quieter room today? Make sure you move after housekeeping finishes before you continue. What will probably happen next? 1. Wait until next month. 2. Call a family member first. 3. The room change will happen later. 4. Send the request by mail only. The answer is number 3.